Hello friends, so we'll discuss about the key regarding the TSPS, our agriculture engineering in the two sessions. In this session I am going to discuss about two parts. One is your part 1 related to our complete agriculture engineering in this the soil water conservation, and second part is your farm machinery and processing and your material building materials. Let us see the questions one by one. First question they asked that the vertical interval about the bonds. So this is the simply Cook's equation. So this topic is covered in the Traders and Land Management Engineering. So here we need to simply submit the values given in this. So we'll get the answer like key is the 1. Next one is that this is direct question they asked from your groundwater hydrology or porosity void ratio. This is the relation between porosity and void ratio given in this book. So the answer is your 3. Next, the probability of occurrence of rainfall event. So this is from the hydrology chapter. So here the probability of the occurrence of rainfall or rain event is always taken by the 24 hours in a one day. Maybe that will the same rainfall will happen in 10 years, after 10 years in one day, or 100 years in one day, like that. So it is not the 1 hour or 1 year or 1 month. It is the answer is the 1 day or 24 hours. Now the soil infiltration. This is comes with curve number. Okay, so curve number we have 4 classes, 1 A, B, C, D. So the high runoff potential is the D classes. So here asked the question is the high runoff potential. So not the infiltration. Infiltration is low. So next one is the hydraulic matching. So this is comes under your groundwater hydraulics. Groundwater hydraulics. Here all the parameter, the hydraulic resistance, the value of the hydraulic resistance and transmissibility and your coefficient of storage and specific yield. Specific yield always this is the 2 and the transmissibility always units are liter per a day. So this is the value liter per day. Okay, and coefficient of range always this is the value coefficient range and trans. So the answer is the 1. Next, the mining roughness is not depends on. So how we will know? So this is the little logical question we need to think about that. So we know the formula. So this is the V. So we know here. So this N is depends on. So what is the velocity and R and slope? Slope are already given here. The size, shape and channel element. So this is the know. How we are know the cross section area and size. So we know the R equals to area by the perimeter. So area is the length into your breadth and perimeter, weighted perimeter. Like this channel is have the weighted perimeter. This is the called weighted perimeter and slope. So slope also be parameter. These are the parameter only. So now the height of density and vegetation. So this is the also be plays major role. So now the length and branches of the open channel. Okay, branches. Suppose this is a channel. Okay, so this is another channel and this another side of the channel are dividing. So these branches is does not depend on this. These are the independent. So maybe I am assuming this is the correct answer. Okay, because density and channel vegetation will depends on your velocity. So the most probability answer is the 4. Next is the matching. The sheet, this is comes under your water measurement devices such as your weir, orifice, notch, partial flume, like this. So this is the simple concept from your weir and orifices. The sheet of the water flow over the weir, that is called your knob. The 3, simply go with the elimination process. Or bottom of the weir, it is called your the sheet of the water flowing is called creased. So that is the 4. So this is the correct answer. The elimination process, simple. The bottom of the weir is called your nappy, 3. So here the definitions comes given in this Traders book in all simple format. Same questions are asked here. See, nappy and the creased or sill. This is. And next one is you are consider the following matching. Same thing matching asked. So this is the most very deep tube well. So I explained in my YouTube channel that is very deep. Always the submersible pump. So now A is the 4. Okay, and high to high head and low discharge, or low head high discharge. These are already given in the specific speed concept. Okay, so this is the specific speed concept. Here the low head high discharge is the propeller pump 1 and the handle sewage water. And next one is your seasonal fluctuation water level. So now we go with the answer 3. So these all the things are given in this book. This is comes under your pumps. Next to farm fact. This is comes here from watershed management. Okay, all the table I explained here already. This is the direct question, but you need to remember the formula. Simple farm factor. Always this is the your length, form factor always deal with your length, that is your denominator, so that is L square. So now answer is the 3. Okay, 3, and here also with 3 given. Now same factor, that is your L square, reverse of this. So you should remember only one in always examination, so otherwise you will may get confused. So now answer is the 4, all parameters given here and along with the values in this Tata Design Land Management book. Next, fraud number. The fraud number, Reynolds number, Euler number, this is comes under from your open channel. Okay, open channel flows. So this is also explained in my YouTube channel. So these are all the simple formulas here. So the fraud number always with your gravity. So this is the way you have to remember, velocity by root Lg, and your Reynolds number always viscosity. So this is the way you should remember. The now key is the 1, should match this, and your Euler number and Cauchy number. So Cauchy number also given, Mach number. So if you know the Mach number, so this is the formula. So now you relate it with the Mach number. Next one is your pump characteristic. This is the most important concept, always asked in every time. So this is the head curve, and this is the brake horsepower curve. This is the efficiency curve. So now here the head is always fall. Okay, this is the discharge, this is the head. So this is the answer. Head is decrease with the increasing head, and brake horsepower, this curve always increases with respect to discharge. So this is the concept here given, head and discharge, and your brake horsepower and discharge. So now key is the B and C. So discharge is independent on speed. No, discharge always depends on your speed. So this is the wrong answer. And capacity varies inversely with diameter. So the capacity and diameter doesn't matter here. Okay, so this is the also wrong answer. Now this is comes under your strength of material. So I'm not going to detail about the strength of material. Same question asked in your Madhya Pradesh Public Service Commission in the Civil Engineering Department. So here the direct answer is this one. If, okay. Next one is your border irrigation. This is comes under your surface irrigation. Surface irrigation, that is your irrigation drip and sprinkler. From that the border irrigation, this is direct question, 3 to 15 meters. And check basin is not suitable for the pad. No, it is suitable. So this is the wrong answer. Water in furrow contact only 1 to the 5th. No, it is a 1/4. So this is also the wrong answer. Remaining are 2. So that is your answer 4. Next, your type of following statements. So now here, so which of the following statement not affect the compact density? So compaction density, this comes under your soil mechanics. Soil mechanics. So here all parameter will depends on your density, that except the type of water. So it doesn't matter the type of water. Suppose you are adding the mud water, if you are adding fresh water, so density may be changed. So this is the key is the 4. Only this parameter will not wrong. So the remaining all are the correct. Soil will affect, compaction will also affect, additional mixture also be affects. Now this is the check against your piping. This concept is comes from the soil and water conservation, that is your gully, permanent gully control structure, drop spillways like that. So the direct answer, this is the, so in this textbook little grammatical mistake here, this is the 2. So I will revise in the second edition and will add according to the TSPS syllabus also. Now this is also chapter is comes from your soil mechanics. So the radiation method, always this radiation method will water content. Okay, here the concept given from that source. And density bottle always used for your specific gravity. Gravitational also, here 2 types of gravitation, one is plus and one is minus. So always plus is the retained. Okay, and sediment analysis is your 75 micron size sieve. So we will use the filter or the sand particle, we will use the small sieves. So from these sieves soil particle will fall below the 75 mm size. So now answer is the 3. Match this according to the answer is 3. Now simple, this also come from your soil, water, but watershed management. So these all the definitions. Okay, but here you should, if you remember the ruggedness number, the ruggedness number is always dimensionless. So now 1. So if you go through the elimination process, C is the 1. So this is the correct answer. Otherwise you need to remember this, because if you go remember this term, you will little bit may get the confusion. So the maximum relief and maximum basin relief. So always the basin relief will deal with your perimeter within the watershed. Within the watershed, that is elevation difference between your basin outlet and highest point within the perimeter of the basin. But whereas the maximum relief, so maximum relief will deal with your basin point and lowest point of your basin. That is the simple what is the highest point and lowest point. So this is the little bit different between maximum and maximum basin. So key is your 1. So the all definitions are given in this textbook. The page number is the 592. Next, government, this is the drip irrigation. Drip irrigation concept. Very simple. The component, if you remember the components, that is from the water source, next filters, next to your submain, main, lateral. After the lateral, the end caps is there. So in this lateral, submain and lateral connected by your grommet and long path emitters. So the long path emitters are button type. These are the explained in the types of emitters. I explained in my YouTube channel, that is the type of emitters. Solenoid valve, this is the automated sensor operated with electric current, and so that is the automation. So now the key is the 4. Next one, this is the challenge question. Here the wrong data is given. One is the application efficiency is not given, and he asked it to the grass irrigation. So if you challenge this question, you will get the marks. Otherwise, you need to assume the application efficiency, because we know the grass irrigation is the ratio of the net depth by the irrigation efficiency. So irrigation efficiency or field efficiency is not given here. So that is, if you assume the 70%, you will get the answer. But before, how we will do this? Simply whatever the data given here, see the depth is given. So this is the assume the soil. So this is the 0, this is the 25, this is the 50, and this is the 75, and bottom is the 100. So every 0 to 50, 25 centimeter, what is the moisture content? 2.3. Here also be 2.44. Here also be 2.47. Here also be 3.0 something. So now just what is the total moisture? So just add it. So if you add it, so we'll get the value is the 10.23. 10.23 divided by your 100, we'll get in the meters. Okay. So now this is the total centimeter depth of water in the field, in this field. But what maximum water can hold this soil is given, that is the 17.8 centimeter per meter depth. So now what present is, that is the 10.23. What potential, that is your 17. So just net depth is available, what is available, and water prior to irrigation. Prior to irrigation, this is the 10.23. Just you difference it, so you will get the value directly. Very simple. Don't confuse. Here there is no required of the calculator. So now answer is this one. Remaining data is not given. So if you know this, you will easily attempt. But if you are not given this value, how will you confuse? If you get this data, you can challenge. So in this condition, you also get the chances of the marks. Otherwise, no need. Second is the correct answer. Next, this is also direct question. Ask the formulas from your orifice viers. So this is the key. The small orifice and rectangular large orifice and your external mouthpiece. Simple. All topics covered in this book, but the external mouthpiece will not covered. So I will add in the next revision. And this is also covered from your watershed management and planning. So here the direct question, erodibility index in the sub watershed. So that is this formula. The key is the 2. So now here this is also from your watershed hydrology. Okay, hydrology. So direct simple, the property of the snow or snowfall. So this is the given here. The snow property, that is the snow will form from your flakes, and this average density is 0.1 gram per centimeter cube. So this is the 2 answers. But ice crystal size is more than the 8. This is not a form. This is called your hail. Okay, this is called your hail, and I also called freezing rain. No, this is the wrong answer. So remaining is the answer, that is a 2. Now this is also from strength of material. So this is also exam asked the right question from the Jammu and Kashmir State Selection Board. The question is directly repeated here. So we will go with this key. Now if here the capital L, if the capital L is given, so now your question will, if the TSP is given this capital L or 4, you can challenge that. Okay, because for this you will get the answer 4. But if small l is given, now this is the answer. Present for this question answer is 1. If this given, you can make challenge. So the difference between L3 and L4. So that is the L power of 4 and L power of 3. Don't confuse. Here the data is given. So this is the defining. You can define from this. Next one is this comes for surveying, leveling the components. Where you are going to survey the offset, cross top, your dumpy level, ranging rods, all this parameter. The key simple direct question is Cross-top, where you will use the cross-top in the field. Okay, where you will use the field, we measure the 45 degrees angle, and on another condition you set the angle. So now key is the 2. And this is also from the strength of material. Okay, the same explanation I given here. The key is the 4. And next, this is from your irrigation. Irrigation means that is your field capacity, permanent wilting point, and ultimate wilting point. All the values asked here. The tension between your field cap. This is always field capacity, and this is always your permanent wilting point 7 to 32. And wherever the 1/3 to 7 is deals with your capillary water. This is the available water. So now key is the 2. Next, this is the challenge question where you can ask the end seal. So if you see the key here, whatever given, end seal. Suppose this is your drop structure. The water is flowing from top to down in the canal or any channel. So okay, this is called at the end. Okay, water will not directly flow into the channel. Some barrier is there, so that this will helps to slow down this velocity of the water. So that will protect your structure. Okay, to protect the stream bed. This is called a stream bed. Now 3. Okay, now 3. Where is toy wall? Toy wall this end. So where arrange the piping of the structure, because this water on the upstream should not flow below the structure. It should always flow above, from above, not below the structure. That's why it will prevent the pipe under the structure. So now this is also correct. But same concept will do by head wall extension. Head wall extension, here I am given head wall extension also reduce the uplift pressure. So this is also we reduce the uplift pressure and prevent the piping under the structure. That is also before. So you can, this answer you can challenge. Otherwise the right answer is 2. If you are also same thing, end seal also the same function, or your side wall also be same function. So this is the table, so they have given, but the right answer is 2. Next one is your reciprocating pump. So this is simple formula. If you remember this formula, or if you know the formula, so here area and length. So length is nothing but your speed, length and stroke and speed of your pump. So now all the area means your diameter. Okay, that is the formula, pi by 4 d square. So now correct answer is the size of the cylinder, length of the and speed. These 2 are correct, remaining these 2 are the wrong. So now key is the 1. Now profile leveling, differential leveling, check leveling, these are the purpose they asked, simply purpose asked, that is the key is the 3. But wherever always if you know the exact values of that is the 2. So new reciprocating level, it is the 2 sets observation. Always you will use, because this is the ground. If you know the reciprocating, we will do like this and bottom. So this is the opposite value. 2 sets we should require in the surveying. So this is the answer 3. Now very simple question, the fully penetrating, this is comes under your confined aquifer, where the asked tool velocity and length of the screen, whichever this is the your aquifer. So water will come in this aquifer. Okay, so we will provide the small holes in this aquifer so that water will come. Along with this sand also come. To arrange the sand, we need to make the small holes. That is the asked here. That is called the length of the screens. So simply we will find, this is the formula given in my textbook, that is traders and land and water management. So if you substitute this answer, so there is no required of the calculator. The answer is 1. Next one is your drip irrigation concept. So this is the source I already explained, complete design summary. So this is the portion asked in the examination. Okay, the key is the 4. Now the following is not advantage of the triangular weir. So this is also explained in my YouTube channel, the triangular weir. So here if you know the formula, Q is equals to only head. So see, this is also constant, this is also theta, this theta is the 90 degrees. So only one parameter required, only this one. So head is the suitable for the small range. Here see, very low and small discharge, then the rectangular weir. So this is the correct answer, and only one reading sufficient. So only H is required. So okay, only one parameter H should be measured, required for the measurement of your discharge. So this is also correct and easy to remember. So we will use simply, we can easy to remember this formula. So this is also correct, but gives the more accurate for the high discharge. No, this is the low discharge. So here is given for the low discharge. Okay, so now this is the wrong answer. The key is the 1. Next one, this also explained in my YouTube channel. They asked the sequence are from the low head to high head water lifting devices. That is your water wheel, chakras, dawn, Persian wheel, counter wheel. So key is the 1. If you arrange all these things in sequence, the key is the 1. Now this is also same. Here the universal Sine laws equation, this same parameter are given here, but he asked this what is the slope, m values, ranges. But here I given only one, that 0.2 to 0.5. Okay, so now this is a key, that is the 0.5, slope lesser than the 5%. Okay, and you are this 0.45. So because the value is 0.2 to 0.5. Okay, so that is up to 3 to 5% only. This value always see only 5%. So we will not deal with the 1 to 3%. If the slope is less than 1%, this assume the level. So in this condition there is no erosion. So in this condition the universal Sine laws equation will not that much effectively. So this will also be wrong, and this is also 1 to 3%. 1 means that is also level. So remaining this is all 2. So that is our A and B correct answer. Next one, triangular. Simple. We can estimate from the S curve. These are the data. I am thinking this is the data given for the confusion. Up to this, F for the rainfall is excess 2.5. Okay, this thing. So there is a simple formula. Q is equals to 2.78. Your discharge. That is your area by your time. That is so area is how much? The 560, and time 6 hour triangular hydrograph. The period is 6 hours. If you know this, you will get the answer. So I am thinking, if let us see the what is the purpose, if another option is given, but so far this is the correct answer. And underground pipeline is not suitable for the high water and where we need to control the weed. So remaining are these are the. So in the canal irrigation we cannot create the high head. So this is the correct answer. And in canal irrigation means suppose the canal is unlined, means there is no lining. So simply the soil is there, so it will also erode. Okay, so now this is the problem, silt, laden problem and insufficient. So correct answer is 3. Now very simple, this is a rectangular channel. So this is the rectangular plate. So the rectangular plate, so this comes from your FM, fluid mechanics. Now assume this is your surface. Now whatever the rectangular plate is submerged here into the water. Now it is saying that the water acting or some greatest depth, this is lowest depth, this is the 4 meter, and this is the greatest depth, is the 6 meter. So now what is the average depth here? We will summarize, means take the average by the 2, that is a 10. Sorry, 2 by 2, this is a 5 meters. So now here 5 meters came. Pressure, we know pressure is density gravity into height. So now if you know the density of water 1000, assume, so now pressure we can simply calculate. And whatever actually here, the calculate pressure on the plate. So pressure units not meters. Pressure units, you know, pressure is force per area, that Newton per meter square. But here actually total pressure means that force. The total thrust force, that is a force. Simply pressure into area. So that is the pressure this much into area. Area is how much? That is your 2 into 3. There is the area given 2 into 3. That is your 29.4. So key is the 4. So this is the little bit concept. When you know the theory is not sufficient, but you should understand what is the terminology of each concept, each parameter here. So this is your continuous run, whatever the rainfall has happened in your field. This is the whatever the potential storage. FA is the potential storage. So then only the some runoff will happen. So that's why what I am asking, the curve number method good for the following conditions. What are the conditions? Suppose eliminate this and eliminate this if you don't know. So here the curve number depends upon the basin and soil. Yes, this is the correct answer, you know, suppose. And on paved surface. Paved surface means the building, roads, like that. In this condition, soil absorption infinite. Is it possible? No. And curve number is 0. So no, this is the wrong. So same thing if you see here, the curve number is 0 and infinity for the infinite obstruction or sponge. So this is not a sponge. Roads are not sponge. Okay. So there is a 100% runoff. Means Cn is the 100%. So this is also wrong. Now this is the C is correct. So now in this we need to select one answer. So here maximum potential retention. means whatever the water should be retained, that will helps to store on your watershed, and remaining will infiltrate or run off. So that is the answer. Soil moisture, that is given here, Fa always should be more than the P minus Q minus Ia, or that is your discharge. So this is the correct answer. So not potential mean always water should be stored. So this should, if SM is lesser than precipitation, there is no storage. So now answer is the B. That is a 2. This is a direct question asked from your unit hydrograph. The zero duration. So duration is always 0, is called your instant unit hydrograph. Next, cut fill ratio. This is also direct runoff, a direct question from the leveling. From the survey leveling, that is your always cut fill ratio is the 1.2 to 1.6. And to have uniform coefficient, the fixed identification each and every watershed. So this is the coding. So this is also covered from a water this book. They simply ask the watershed coding definition. If you need to identify the water, this is one shape watershed, these are another watershed, these are another. So we need to give the code. This is 1, this is the 2, this is the 3. So 1 and 2 and 3 are called coding, not a delineation or demarcation or prioritization. So this is the key from the strength of material. So I don't know that much knowledge on the strength of material, but here I asked some of my friends, juniors, they helped me to get the answers. This is the A, both A and B. So this is from your direct unit hydrograph assumptions. So here the application of unit hydrograph from the range is 2 km to the 5000 km square. In some book it is also given from the 100 km square. Okay, so that does not matter. So this is the key. Next, to determine the bifurcation is simply the bifurcation ratio is the first order by the lowest order. So first order is how much? 139, and lowest order is 49 next order. So if you know this one, that's the correct answer. Otherwise, if you assume this is 140, if you don't know calculator, 140, assume this is 50, so 2.5. Okay, and this is answer. And if you know the value of the bifurcation ratio range is the 3 to 5. So what is the 3 value here? This is remaining are always 0. So bifurcation was not below the 1. So you simply eliminate. This is the answer. Next one is, this is also direct question and asked every time. I am most highlighted in this important JRF net and gate. So here this question asked the during the flood wave, the positive wedge storage at the advanced flooding, that is inflow exceed the outflow. That direct question, inflow exceed the outflow. This is the key is 4. And specific storage capacity of the well. This is from your groundwater hydraulics. So this is also direct question, yield per the drawdown. So that discharge per unit drawdown caliber. This also every time I highlighted. If you followed this book, maximum the more than the 50 questions you easily covered from your silent water conservation engineering. So now most preferable economical channel. So always most preferable economical channel is the parabola. This is the, but in this what condition? Every channel has boundaries. So this is also wrong answer. Approximate natural channel. Yes, exactly. Parabola will form. We will construct the trapezoidal and the triangular. After that it will form naturally parabola. So this is the correct answer. Less erosion and covering compared to the other. Exactly. Parabolic shape can be made larger than other shape. No, this is we always prefer this type because parabola shape will be difficult to make. So this is the source. We know this type of images. So answer is the B and C. Next, this is also direct question. From the drip irrigation. So if you know the CU is more than the 85, this is the correct answer. Next, to the following vegetation cover consider for failure. Exactly. So this is also a little tricky question. If you know this from the curve number. So page number from the curve number chapter, this is asked where the hydrology unit or watershed should be fair. What is the fair? So in this condition, what is the vegetation cover? The land is land cover. So what is the 50 to 75%? That is the 50 to 75%. And in this condition, the grass always the moderate. Okay, here the medium runoff. So grass always the moderate. So here high runoff means there is less grass. So less runoff means high grasses. So the less grass means light grazing. So this is also not possible. So moderate because it is a fair and moderate runoff. So moderate grass also there. So I have not added the grass. So in next edition I will add the grasses also. So now key is the 2. Next, this is also from your soil mechanics from the your stress analysis. The answer is your key is 3. Now the raindrop. This is from your types of soil erosion. Types of splash erosion, sheet erosion, gully erosion, rill erosion. The direct question, the 1.5 meters and 50 to 75 centimeter. So now here 50 to 70. So that is the 1.5 meter, 50 to 70, neither 60. Okay, this is the answer. Now key is this is the 2 answer. Okay, 2, 75, not sorry, it is 0.60. Next to The following is not outcome of watershed. Outcome. So out means what is the result? If you followed good techniques, what is the result? So improvement in water quality 100%, improvement agriculture production, increase the yield, everything. Environmental always, environment control means pollution also be reduced. Improve the data availability. No. Improve data availability is not the outcome. Okay, data, we cannot read some data. Okay, so the answer is 4. The part of the building, this comes to strength of material. Part of the water, that is a column. Now watershed has 150. This is a problem from your drainage coefficient, mean drainage. Simple formula. So this is the formula. So here no need requirement of the calculator. I have calculated the without calculator. This is the simplified. So answer is 1. And restoring movement. This is from your soil water conservation engineering. That I told you, gully erosion prevention and that is called failure of structure due to the overtapping, sliding, piping, compression and tension. So here simple direct sentence. The restoring movement of the structure is due to spillway. Depends on. See, direct sentence is copied. The restoring movement is result of the weight of the structure. But the turning movement is due to water and uplift pressure. So water, uplift pressure is wrong answer. Tail and water, no. So soil below the structure, no. So simply the correct answer is weight of the structure. So weight of the structure is correct answer. This is covered in my book. Next, so this is a combination of all the curve, hydrology and unit hydrographs. So you know S curve always the continuous. See the S curve here I given the S curve is the continuous effective rainfall. Same direct question is copied. Continuous from effective rainfall. This same copied. Mass curve. So mass curve, it is the accumulation of precipitation versus time. The next one hydrograph, the intensity versus time. So you know this mass curve and hydrograph. But synthetic hydrograph means this is also be a ungated watershed. We will always do that is especially those who are at remote location and data where should not be available or scarcity. In this condition, remote area lo manam synthetic hydrograph nu vaadtam. So now key is the 4. And this is the 7 is from the renewable energy. This simple question will everywhere you study in the BTech level. The 7 is a small windmill. So we will use for the water lifting. Next, so this is also be known. American Society of Agricultural Biological Engineering tell us the total pressure variation in the lateral. Suppose this is the submain, this is the laterals. Okay. So now what is the pressure variation? Here lateral dripper is there. Here dripper is there. Here dripper is there. So what is the difference between first and last? So here 4. So what is the different pressure variation or pressure loss due to emitters or sprinklers fixed in this lateral? So that is always 10%. So here the American Society of Agricultural Engineering recommended the pressure variation 10% only. In this condition pressure is 4 kg per centimeter square. The key is 1. Sprinkler nozzle are designed in such a way that, see, so here the sprinkler should be always designed one type of nozzle also be there and sprinkler 2 types of nozzles also there. But wherever the sprinklers having the 2 nozzles will operate always with your good uniformity at low pressure. This is the correct answer. The single nozzle sprinkler high application rate, no. Okay, so this is the single application or the high, no, very low application rate. The cover of the pop-up sprinkler always used for your lawn type. Open means the react means the spring. So this is the type of the spring, the retract spring. So this is called one spring is there. That spring is called retract spring. So that is all. The gain means your gun, rain gun sprinkler. So rain gun sprinkler also called your gain type sprinkler. So has 2 large nozzles. No, one is small is there and one is large there. So here asking 2 are large. No, one is small and one is the large. So the answer is 1. That is a B and C. Now aquifer having, this is a simple direct question. The water table under the unconfined aquifer below. So unconfined aquifer always the water is always equal and lesser than the pressure. So that is the answer. Now piezometric level in confined aquifer, semi-confined, yes, always all are different aquifers having some piezometric surface is there in both confined, unconfined and semi-confined. Piezometric head is less than phreatic head in semi-confined. No. So this is the wrong answer. So here the piezometric head is always more than the phreatic head. See here. So now this is the wrong. The perched water table is located in semi-confined aquifer. No. Perched water table is the special case of your unconfined aquifer. The perched water aquifer. So the perched water aquifer is the special case of your unconfined aquifer. Here it is given the semi-confined. This also both are wrong. So now answer is the 1. And this also come your strength of material. So maximum stress key is the 3. Now 2 assumption of Hoogout equation. Exactly, this is the most important question asked every time. The Hoogot equation. So this is the entire paragraph copied from as it is. So the Hoogot equation, the introducing the imaginary layer. So that is introducing imaginary layer. So where we will discuss in the drainage, the imaginary layer, and so the loss of flow rate is introduced to extra head. No. So loss of lower the flow rate, introduce the extra head. No. And the equivalent depth is varies drastically with the deeper impervious. No. So there is a imaginary layer and the equivalent depth, there is no relation. The replacement of drain imaginary ditches on bottom is this is the correct answer. So now the key is the 4. This is covered from my textbooks. The lateral carries from your submarine to drippers, because the laterals having the black color, we know simply to avoid the algae 100%, and also to avoid the affected radiation. Not see every lateral is simply visible on the field. So this is simply common sense question. Okay, but same thing we are already covered in the book. So if you want to go through, please. Key is the 3. And the drop inlet spillway prevail full pipes here. Full pipe flow condition. Full pipe. Suppose this is the full pipe. When it is the full will flow, where the slope, this is the ground slope or neutral slope, this should be always less. The pipe is always should be lesser than your neutral slope. This is the condition of the 4. So here the natural slope greater than the pipe slope or conduit slope. So in this condition, the outlet is submerged and pipe flow condition prevails. So same as it is copied with little bit modification of the sentence. So now rainfall, this is always asked a direct question, that EI 30. What is the EI 30? I is the maximum rainfall intensity during period of, so not the average, not the maximum rainfall intensity during concentration, no concentration. This is the only the continuous period of the time. So answer is the 4. So now the type of pump adapted as a deep tube well, I will know that is always the submersible pump, not the mixed flow. So the mixed flow is for the low head hydraulic ram. This is the we will use in the river hilly region. The propeller pump also be low head high discharge. So this we discuss also. Answer is 3. Now scatter. This is also from drainage. How drainage types surface and subsurface drainage distributed. The scatter drainage always the random. So here the scatter drainage always random. Here given the scatter drainage, the random distribution, and poorly drained always the bedding system, trial drainage, siding bone. Okay, the bedding system, and cut off, that is all called your intercept drainage. So key is the 1. So this is the parameters are given from the textbook. All the parameters correct, and same thing we highlighted in the exams. So this here, the relief, intercept drainage, seepage drainage, cut off drainage. Next, the Scobie equation. So this is the friction head loss formula. So this type of question never expected, but they asked fortunately. Okay, please go through. This is the correct answer. Okay, is the 2. That question we should remember the formula. And the small gullies. So these small gullies, medium gullies, deep gullies, U-shaped gullies. So small gullies, medium gullies, very small gullies, medium gullies, and U-shaped gullies. U-shaped gullies, alluvial plains. So all this thing covered in this textbook. So the direct question is this. So just to key is the 3. And avoid the tension. This is also failure structures. So always E should be lesser than B. The eccentricity should be lesser than, not greater. That means lesser than. E should be less than or equal to B by 6, or sometime it will D by 6. B is the base length. Here I am written with the D. So here written B. Don't confuse. So this is the check against the tension in the structure. That is called your gully control structures. So semicircular hoop, this is a long water structure, water storage structures. These are the semicircular, and your dugout pump. These are the water storage structures. Chute spillway and baffle. This is the outlet structure, and this is the type of the chute spillway. Okay, here I covered here dugout pond. Okay, and the key is the 2. That is 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. So now this is also. So this you can also challenge here. Simple concept. The energy loss by the friction in a lateral or submarine can be calculated by the William Hodgett in the drip system, but also used the Scobie formula to calculate the friction loss in lateral or submarine in a sprinkler. So but if sometime will both will use. For this the correct answer is the 2, but if you challenge this question, there is a chance to get the answer for 3 also. Okay, this is the question I given here for your sake, and you can refer the A.M. Michael book also to get the clarity on this. So simple, if the requirement of depth, it's very simple. This is from the leaching requirement. This is the formula. Otherwise, we can know that simply 100 minus leaching 100 minus leaching requirement, that is the Cu by di. Okay, and substitute value, you will get the direct value of the 6.25. So this is the simple concept. There is no requirement of the calculator. Okay, if you get this, so 100 minus Cu by the di equals to a leaching requirement. 100 minus Cu, what is the Cu? That is the consumed use, 80 by the 85. So you will get the direct answer, the 6.25 leaching requirement. Otherwise, you can do like this also. Now simply, this is from strength of material. The key is the 2. I'm assuming. This is also same question. Simple question. Always the velocity in the impeller to the head always decreases. This is explained in my YouTube channel. So this is I don't know. So let us wait for the TSPS key. Fraud number. The values every time they will ask. See the ARS mains, net, JRF gate. Every time they will ask. So this is the simple values. And which type of the flows? Simple. The key is the flow, direct question. And this is also be covered in the topic where the slope of the terraces. There are types of terraces, sloping inward, outward. Okay, these are the type of terraces. In this condition, where the slope off is to 1, where the slope off is to 1, what is the depth of cut? Direct question. It is also from soil mechanics. Okay, always the functions of the sand replacement method is always used for your density, in situ method for density. So that is in situ density, that is 3. And the new mark always used for the your new mark used for the vertical stress, that is your 5. Okay, B is the 5 and 3, 5 both are there. So you eliminate 3, 5. And inclined back will always surge angle, that is a 2. See, this is a type of the complicated, always see both are same, but you should know in this condition Cassagrade is always used for the liquid limit. So this is the answer. Key is the 1. Okay, the simple Simpson rule always used for the even numbers. Don't confuse, that is always used for the even number, Simpson. And the total number of must be even, no, it should be odd. So here I covered here. Simpson rule always covered with the ends of the ordinate assumed to be arc. Simpson also called parabolic. This rule, the ordinates must be odd. See, ordinates should be odd. So this is the wrong. So now the ordinate must be taken from middle. Middle. We always take the end. So this is the area. Suppose always here and here like this. So this is also wrong. Now answer is the 1A and C. This is accurate method. So this is the more accurate. So everything is covered in this book. The imaginary, this is also direct question, the piezometric surface, level or piezometric surface. This is the answer is 3. Now contour and its properties. This is the surveying chapter. In last 10 points I covered. What is the correct answer identified? They are asking. So answer is the 3. The contour space straight and equal indicate the identify the wrong answer. Sorry. So wrong answer. She should contour spaced at straight and equal indicate plane. So this is correct. So not sorry. The valley contours are concave toward the stream. The series of close. So this is the wrong answer. The contour lines. This is the correct answer. So key is the 2. Now so let us wait. So I also don't know this. I think this is the structure step. So I not did this. The earthwork, this is also for the outward sloping with inward. So this is the formula, sloping with inward, the direct formula SI plus SI. This is inward. So key is the SI plus. So key is the 2. Key is the 2. Now arrange, this is from the soil water shed planning. So all this sequence asked. So these are the sequence. So this option is not given. You can challenge this question. Okay, you can challenge that, you will get the marks. So this is the source I given from the ICR textbooks. So So in the surveying, always the triangular angle, when you are going to survey, you will always turn the 30 degrees or 120 degrees, not more than this or not less than. So in this angle should be between the 30 and 120. This is the source I given. Consider the Euler's assumptions. So Euler's assumption, this is from the soil mechanics. So these are the Euler's assumptions. So the correct answer is there D. So that is the wrong. So which is not assumption, that is the obeys the Hooke's law. No relation between the Hooke's and Euler's equation. And the consider the soil statement, which one is the not assumption of Basinescu's. So these are all assumptions. The soil should be elastic, homogeneous, isotropic, semi-infinite. It should not be inelastic. So this is the elastic. So A is the wrong answer. So key is the 4. So this is also a simple question from your delta base duty relation period. So very simple problem. And this also covered direct question. Ask for the compensating emitter. So what is the pressure X value for the compensating emitter? X value should be 0. So X value is 0. This is the direct question they ask you for, and this is also explained from my textbook page number 761. Venturimeter length, it should be 2 to 4 meter. This is also explained in your venturimeter. And the matching from the wind erosion. So in the wind erosion, suspension, saltation, surface values and percentage asked. So every time it's covered values. So the answer is 2. Consider the following. The high, this is from your fluid mechanics, the types of the pressure gauges, manometers, piezometers, all. Okay. So now if you know the L-tube piezometer, that is the 1. Okay. So this is the 1 answer. Key is the 2. Now identify permanent gully control structure. This came under the structural designs. This is a permanent design. So there are 3 types of design. Hydrology, one called hydraulic and structural. So this is the simple question they asked. In this condition, the structural design involves. What is the structural design? Structural design involves the strength, stability analysis, force acting on the component such as your water pressure, force due to the structure, and seepage forces. Where all this force acting. So these are the designs involved in the structural design involve the dimension of the different components. No, it should be deal with the dimension. Dimension is not with the structural. It should be in hydraulic. So this is the wrong. Now water pressure and overflow effect, pressure below the structure must be considered hydraulic design. Hydraulic. So this also be wrong. So now water force, pressure, overflow. This I told you. Water pressure, force, overflow. It's considered in the structural design. So this is the correct answer. And always the structure should be designed for the 25 to 30 year return period. So here 25 to 50 return period. So here the structure should be expected to handle the heaviest expected rain expected. That is same, but it modified the sentence. Same direct sentence they copied from this. 4. Next, the wheat crop. So this is also to challenge the question. So here this is not a 45. This is the 45.25 or something value. So this is the, you can challenge. This answer is the 4. So 42 hectares. You can get the marks. The plane table. So always you will use the plane table heavy. We require the plane table. We require the heavy drawing. So this is the key. Always purpose, simple purpose they asked. In the theodolite we will simply measure the vertical and horizontal angles. But whereas in auto level you also measure vertical distance also you can measure. D is the 2. So that is elevation. The total station, that is the help us the 4. That is the vertical, horizontal and distance. So this is the hydraulic jump concept they asked. What is that? The hydraulic jump definition first is the, so that is the supercritical to, that is shooting fluid to subcritical. That is called your the flow from transmit itself from the shooting to streaming. See here the subcritical flow also called as the streaming flow. So this is the concept. A is B is correct. Hydraulic jump, the water flow at a low smaller depth. No, after the jump water will flow at rises. So this is the D2. This is called after the jump. So this is always more than the D1. So this also wrong. So D, B and D cut. B and D means that is the 4 is key. Okay. Thank you.